Hello, little learners! Welcome to Moonlit Meadows Tales. Today, we're going on a fun-filled adventure with 3 tiny words: on, in, and under. Get ready to look at some cute pictures and fill in the blanks. Put on your thinking caps and let's begin our quiz. Are you ready? Let's go! The dog is under the table. Keep it up. The book is in the bag. The shoes are under the bed. Bright thinking. The pencil is in the box. The books are on the shelf right on target. The ball is under the chair. The toys are in the basket. You're doing great. The picture is on the wall. The rat is hiding. Under the sofa. You're super smart. The milk is in the fridge. Good job. The phone is on the table. The money is in the wallet. Keep pedaling. The mat is on the floor. The ball is in the box. Try one more. The dog is sleeping. Under the table. The clock is On the wall. Clever little bug. The pen is. In my pencil case. The book is. On the table. Shiny brain power. The cat is sitting. On the sofa. Keep going. The clothes are. In the cupboard. The apple is. On the plate. You're almost there. The eraser is. In the pencil box. The lamp is. On the table. Roll through it. The file is. In the drawer. The food is. In the pot. That was amazing. You did a fantastic job spotting where everything was on, in and under. You're becoming a preposition pro. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe for more fun quizzes, and share with your friends. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Bye-bye for now.